Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte H610M S2 V3 DDR4 motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. After that you can this is search button. Then enter the model number of motherboard H610M S2 V3 DDR4. Then hit enter. Then click off name of the title. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is using Windows 10, 11. So both the installation process same. So you can see this video of Windows 11 installations driver. So you can install in the Windows 11. Sorry, Windows 10. So no worry about it. So Realtek audio driver. Okay, this is size. And just click to download. Do not install this one. Click on download. When you click on download, it will start downloading. So it is completed. Then just open it after download. And just double click to launch. This is exe. After that, ask administrator rights. So click on yes. Now this is installing. So it is closed automatically, means it's installed. Chipset driver. So this one, and click to download serial driver and click to download. It will start downloading in the download box. And then click on yes and double click to launch. Yes. And then close it, it install. Then install this one, Intel INF installations, and download. And see this is downloaded. Then just double click to open. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. Then close it. Extract LAN, Realtek LAN driver, and this is size. You just click to download. Then click on update, and so double click on this. Then click on yes. After that you can see this is start downloading. First extract and after that in downloading. Then driver is installing. So it is closed, means this is install VGA driver. So Intel video grapher now download. It will start downloading in the download box. Then it is completed. So just single click to open. And this is exe, so you have to double click. Then click on yes. After that you can start downloading. So now you can see this is downloading. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Okay, then restart your system.